welcome to your IT lecture. Before starting our next topic, today we will discuss the syllabus of your IT, of your B part. In your A part, there are the 5 chapters like the communication skills and your entrepreneurship skills that we have already completed. In your part B, there are 5 units. Unit 1 is Introduction to IT Industry. In my last uh, period, when I have taken your class online, in that I have cleared all the points of this chapter, Introduction to IT Industry, that what are the applications area of your IT, where we are using the IT and where are the IT industries, and that I have taught you in my online class. And I think that topic is clear to you, and that is a very general topic. Those students who have not attended the class, they can do it, they all can do that themselves. And I have also sent some questions related to the unit 1 that you have to write down in your notebook. And unit 3, digital documentations, that this unit we have completed, and I have already sent the question answers of this unit also. And electronic spreadsheet is also completed. Digital presentation, I have sent all the videos of related to the topics of this digital presentation, and I think you all have seen that videos. And main point is that I didn't send the question answer of this digital presentation. Tomorrow I will send it, and you have to write down these question answers in your notebook also. So this chapter, this unit is completed, this is completed, this is completed, this is also completed, but question answers are left. Okay. And today we are going to start the unit 2, data entry and keyboarding skills. There are 2 chapters related to this unit, but we will do only first chapter. In second chapter, there is a typing software. We will not do that chapter. That I am cutting down that chapter. You will not do. Just we will do the first chapter, and that is very easy chapter. That what is the keyboard, how many types of keys are there on the keyboard, and what is the mouse, and how many types of mouses are there, and what functions we can do with the mouse, and what postures you should have when you are doing the typing. These 3 and 4 questions are related to the first chapter of this unit. Others, second chapter we are cutting down. So this is all about your syllabus. Now let's start, and come with me for the first chapter of the data entry. Let's come with me for the first topic of this unit, using data entry tools. In this first unit is what is keyboard. What is keyboard? Everybody knows that the keyboard is an input device through which we can send our input to your PC. The computer will process your input, and then it will give you your output. And the keyboard is using the touch typing. Typing means we are just pressing the button, we are just touching the button and press it, then that number will be sent to your computer, and that will be printed on the screen of your computer. Like in your mobiles, you are just touching the numbers, and that is printed, and that is typing on your mobile pad. So this is that is the keyboard. And keyboard, keys of the keyboard, everybody knows the keys of the keyboard. आप बचपन से ही, जब से starting से from the first class, you are using the computer and you are using the keyboard, and there are the various buttons, there are the various keys on the keyboard, and you know very well about the keyboard functions of the keys. So your keyboard is divided into the many types of the keys. First is your alphanumeric keys. What are the alphanumeric keys? The keyboard, the keys on your keyboards are A to Z, that are buttons are on your keyboard, and keys A to Z, that are known as the alphanumeric keys. But these are not in the proper sequence, that are not in the continuation A, B, C, D. They are different keys are placed at the different places, because according, when you will learn your typing, then it will be very easy to put your hands on the key, and that will be very easy be fitted that which keys are where, when how you can press the key with the which fingers. तो that is according to your typing style. तो जो भी हमारे कीबोर्ड में कीज हैं, हमारे टाइपिंग के अकॉर्डिंगली हैं. जैसे हम टाइपिंग करते हैं, जिनको टाइपिंग आती है, वो कैसे अपने हैंड्स को, अपने फिंगर्स को उन कीज पे रखते हैं, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली हमारी कीज कीबोर्ड के अंदर प्लेस की गई हैं, बिकॉज इट विल मेक योर टाइपिंग ईजी. So that's are known as the alphanumeric key. That numeric keys are capital A to capital Z. And with the caps lock key, when you will on your caps lock key, then you can press your small letters. That will be printed in the small letters. Next is your numeric keyboard. What are the numeric keyboard? That are numeric keyboard are placed at the right hand corner of your keyboard. Their numbers are 1 to 9 are there, and that you can, when you press the numlock key, then numeric then numeric keypad will be active, and you can use the keys of the numeric keypad 1 to 9. That are the numeric keypad. Next is the special characters keys. There are some special characters keys. Special characters like brackets, plus, minus, multiply, slash, @ ampersand. So these are keys at the upper row of the alphanumeric key, and by using these keys you can print the special characters that are known as the special character keys. Next are your function keys. इन स्पेशल कैरेक्टर कीज से भी ऊपर कुछ फंक्शंस की दी गई हैं जिसकी नंबरिंग है F1 to F12. The functions of these are basically doing some special functions according to the different software. So these are some functions keys that are used for doing special functions. Next are your navigation key. Navigation keys are आपके न्यूमेरिक कीपैड के साथ ही कुछ फंक्शंस कीज दे रखी है. दैट इज द नेविगेशन कीज दे रखी है. नेविगेशन कीज आर यूज्ड to move the page up, page down, page left, page right. arrows keys हैं, उन arrows की help से आप page up, page down, page left, page right, you can go there. These are known as the navigation keys. And next are your combinations keys. These are some combination, control key, ऑल्ट की, शिफ्ट की. तो हम इनको दूसरे कैरेक्टर्स के साथ लेके, जैसे इफ़ यू वांट टू डू सम पेस्ट देन कंट्रोल प्लस वी, इफ़ यू वांट टू कॉपी देन कंट्रोल प्लस सी. तो कंट्रोल, शिफ्ट एंड ऑल्ट कीज आर नोन एज द कॉम्बिनेशंस की, जिनको हम दूसरी किसी भी कैरेक्टर के साथ कॉम्बिनेशन में यूज करते हैं. देन वी कैन प्रिंट सम कैरेक्टर ऑन योर PC. So that are known as the combination keys. And next are your toggle keys. What are the toggle keys? Toggle keys are used as an on-off keys. We also called it as a on-off key. Caps lock key. When you press the caps lock, it will be on. Again, when you press, it will be off. So that are known as the toggle key. Similarly, num lock. When you press the num lock, then the numeric keypad will be active. When you again press it, then that will be deactive. So caps lock key and the num lock key are known as the toggle keys. So this is all about the keyboard. What is the keyboard? The questions comes here. What is the keyboard? How many keys are there? Then you have to define the keyboard. You have to give the definition of the keyboard. After that, you will have to define the keys of the keyboard. Then your next topic is now your next topic is rule to learn the typing. When you are doing the typing with the keyboard, then there are some rules that we should always follow. First is proper positioning. That is, your positioning will be proper, that you will sit straight. You will have to sit straight. Your back should be straight, and there will be the proper positioning of your table, chair, and you will have to take care of all these things when you are doing the typing on the keyboard. Next is typing exercise and the practices. There are some typing exercise when we will do your next chapter, that is the rapid typing software, but we are not doing it. But you can download it for yourself and you can do the practice on it. It will tell you how you can place your fingers on the keyboard, and it will give you some exercise for practicing the typing. When you will do the practice of this exercising, then your hand will be fitted on the keys, and that will automatically, your fingers will move when you are typing. You need not to see on the keyboard. So this is the typing exercise and practice. If you want to make your typing very good, then you have to do the practice of that exercise that is given in the software, and daily you have to do that practice, typing exercise and the practices. वो आपको सॉफ्टवेयर के अंदर स्टेप बाय स्टेप वो आपको देंगे और आपको फॉलो करनी होगी. ये आप इंटरनेट से ऑनलाइन भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं टाइपिंग सॉफ्टवेयर, और उसको आप घर बैठ के यूज भी कर सकते हैं. व्हेन यू विल डू द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ द टाइपिंग, देन your fingers will be fitted, that will be automatically move on the characters. You need not to see on the keyboard that where that character is. So ये हर चीज practice makes a man perfect, that you already know. Next is the proper posture. You have to have a proper postures when you are doing a typing. That is, your back should be straight when you are sitting. When you are doing a typing, then your laptop is on the table and you are sitting on the chair, and when you are sitting on the chair, your back should be straight. ऐसे नहीं, bent नहीं होनी चाहिए, your back should be straight. Next, your elbow bent at the right angle when you are doing the typing. और हमारा लैपटॉप हमारे टेबल पे है, तो जो हैंड्स है हमारे एल्बो ऐसे होते हैं, दैट शुड बी एट अ 90 डिग्री एंगल्स लाइक दिस. योर एल्बो बेंट एट द एल्बो जो यहाँ से है वो दैट शुड बी बेंट एट द राइट एंगल. अगर आप ऐसे करोगे तो आपसे टाइपिंग नहीं होगी, तो आपको योर एल्बो शुड बी बेंट एट द राइट एंगल. then your typing will be very easy and it will not create a stress on your mind, and that will not, when your back will not be pain. Next is 20 to 30 inches of the distance between your eyes and the screen. Your laptop screen and your eyes, there should be 20 to 30 inches gap होना बहुत जरूरी है, otherwise it will affect your eyesight. Next is height. Height of the table should be 20 to 30 inch from the floor. जो आपकी टेबल की हाइट है जिस पे आपने लैपटॉप रखा हुआ है, that should also be 20 to 30 inches from the floor. And next is head should be tilted forward when you are doing a typing. ऐसे है, बैक तो स्ट्रेट होनी चाहिए लेकिन हेड थोड़ा सा स्क्रीन की तरफ tilted होना चाहिए. That your head should be tilted towards the screen. So these are some rules that you have to learn and that you have to follow when you are doing a typing, when you are doing a work on your laptop or on your computer. So these rules you have to follow. And one questions can come, what are the rules for learning typing? So that rules you have to write down. Two questions arises, I told you, from this chapter. First is what is the keyboard and how many types of the keys are there in the keyboard, and second is what are the rules to learn the typing. Our next and the last topic of this chapter is our pointing device. What are the pointing device? It is an input device used to point at an object on the computer screen. When there are various icons on the computer screen and you want to point one object, you want to move and select an object, that you can do with the pointing device. So according to you, what is the pointing device? That is mouse. With the help of the mouse, we can select an icon, we can move that icon, we can copy that icon, we can paste that items, we can do all that functions with the help of the mouse. So mouse is known as the pointing device. What is the mouse? That lets you select and move items on the screen. Mouse is that input device that used to select and move the items on the screen, and that is known as the pointing device. Then how many types of mouse are there? There are three types of the mouse. First is mechanical mouse, next is optomechanical mouse, and next is the optical mouse. In general, we are using the mechanical mouse. In our school lab, there are the mechanical mouse because mouse are attached with the wire, and that wires are attached to your CPU to connect it to for connecting to the computer. That is known as the mechanical mouse. At the bottom of that mouse there is the ball, and with the help of the ball we can control the motion of the mouse. Next is your optomechanical mouse. What is that optomechanical mouse? In that mouse there is an optical sensors. वहाँ पर क्या होता है? There is an optical sensors to sense the motion of the ball. That is the optomechanical mouse. Next is the optical mouse. Optical mouse में wire नहीं होगी. In that optical mouse, it will use the lasers. It will use the laser to sense the motion of the ball. When you will tilt your mouse, then you can see there is the light in the mouse. आपको नजर नहीं आएगी. जब उसको आप टिल्ट करोगे, then you can see the red light at the bottom of the mouse, and that is known as the optical mouse. It uses the laser technology to control the motion of the ball. And optical mechanical mouse, it uses the optical sensors, and the mechanical mouse, it uses the ball to control the motion of your mouse. So this is all about the mouse. Now what type of the functions we can do with the mouse, matlab which type of events we can do, some common actions that we can, what are the actions that we can do with the mouse. These are, so these are the actions with the mouse, that are the click and the left click. When you click the mouse, मतलब left clicking आप करते हो, then left clicking, right clicking, double clicking, drag and drop, scroll, select and blocking. So these are the some functions that we do with the mouse. These are when you these are some functions. Left click हम किस लिए यूज करते हैं? When you want to select an item, then you use the left click. Right click जब भी हम उसकी कुछ properties को open करना चाहते हैं, then we use the right click. कुछ पॉपअप मेन्यू को हम ओपन करना चाहते हैं कि इसमें इनबिल्ट प्रॉपर्टीज हैं कुछ, देन वी यूज द राइट क्लिक. किसी को ओपन करना है किसी फोल्डर को, देन वी यूज द डबल क्लिक. या कोई आइकन ओपन करना है या कोई एप्लीकेशन ओपन करनी है स्क्रीन से, देन वी यूज द डबल क्लिक. ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप, कुछ कट करके कहीं पेस्ट करना है, कुछ कॉपी करके कहीं पेस्ट करना है, तो हम उसको, या कहीं एक किसी आइकन को एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस पे मूव करना है, देन वी यूज द ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप एक्शंस. नेक्स्ट इज वी स्क्रॉलिंग हैपन. व्हेन वी वांट टू move your page up and down, then we use the scrolling option, then we do the scrolling actions with the mouse. Select and blocking, when you want to select some particular area of a page and you want to do some editing in it, that you want to cut it, yeah, you want to paste it anywhere, then we use the select and blocking actions with the mouse. So these are all the actions with the mouse. So these are the topics that are associated with this using data entry tools. First is the what is keyboards and how many keys are there. Second, what rules you have to follow when you are doing the typing. And third is what is the mouse and how many types of mouse and what are the actions associated with the mouse. So these are, I will send the questions of this and you have to write down the answers in your notebook also. So this was all about your unit second, and today our syllabus of your IT is finished, and now we are going to start our test. And every Saturday, Friday and Saturday एक दिन मैं टेस्ट लूँगी और एक दिन आपकी ऑनलाइन क्लास लिया करूँगी जिसमें आपकी कोई क्वेरीज हैं, और आपको मुझे जैसे जैसे हम उसका टेस्ट लेंगे आपको मुझे उसकी PDF भेजनी पड़ेगी कि किन बच्चों ने इसका काम कंप्लीट कर रखा है इस चैप्टर का, देन आई गेट टू नो. Otherwise it's very difficult for me because some are sending, some are not sending. तो please complete your notebook also. अभी बहुत ज़्यादा काम तो कंप्यूटर का है नहीं, कुछ पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चंस ही हैं जो मैंने आपको सेंड कर रखे हैं, that you all have to do in your notebook. As I will take the test of that unit, that's question answer, that PDF of each chapter you have to send it to me. And please see this video carefully and read this chapter. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.